Hello, everyone. Good morning. Aradhna Tiwari from Be the Change by Aradhna, Access Consciousness Certified Facilitator, an empowering and transformational coach, and your friend to take today's question. Today is a happy, happy day. Hello, Mish. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, Asta again. Good morning again. Hello, Ashif. How are you? Good to see you again. Hello, Monica. Hello, Sanena. Good morning. How's the morning? How's the Josh? Hello, Simran. I saw you, Simran. Hello, Shivangi. So today's thing is truth. Are you happy? What makes you happy? Jayu, hello, welcome. I think you're joining us for the first time. Welcome, welcome. Hello, Sahista. Yes, happy to see you again too, Simran. Thanks, Preeti. Hello, see you. Good morning. Good to see you, Sunena too. Awesome. So are you guys happy? Truth. Are you happy? Give me your answers. Are you happy? Not only seeing me, but are you happy? Are you really happy? Adarsh, welcome to the space. Thanks for joining us. So, hope that's your name. So, hello. Say, are you happy? Umesh says he is. Ashif says he is. Awesome. Monica says she is. Awesome. That's amazing. Hello, Chetna. Welcome to the space, sweetheart. Yes, I'm happy. Got to see you all. Thank you. Thanks, Janvi. Hello, Janvi. Good morning. Hello, Mona, darling. My Mona, darling, is here again. Thanks. Yes. Rupal. Hello, Rupal. Hello, Sahista. Thank you, everybody joining in. So, today's question is truth. Are you happy? And what makes you happy? So, what takes your happiness away? Hello, Parata. What takes your happiness away? What actually has to be so constant in your life to keep you happy all the time? This morning, 50% happy. Why 50? Where's the 50 gone? I see you happy these days, Monica says. Thank you. Hello, Vijaya. Good morning. Adarsh, that's your name. Awesome. Great. Hello, Samir. Good morning. Samir, we have been missing you. Where are you up to? Where are you partying? So, who all is not happy here? And what if you're not? Like, it's like, literally constant question at any given point of time in your life. What if throughout the day, today I've been really playing, I'm always happy. I choose to be happy. Yet, like, keep checking with yourself. Are you happy? Hi, Sudipta. Good morning. Are you happy? Like walking, yes, happiness truly a choice, as Ritu says. It is a choice. It's a pure choice, and it's always there within you. Samir says he's been trying to get back to work and routine, missing this also. Awesome. But I'm sure it's there on the IGTV anyways. Picking up from energy from outside, done the return to center. Awesome, Sinena. There you go. So if you start asking this question to yourself all the time, truth, am I happy? Welcome, Shivani. Hello, Harveen. Welcome. Who all? I'm sure these girls are happy too. Who joining in? Are you happy? Happy to see me? Ashif says. Thank you. I'm happy to see you all here too. But what does this happiness last long? So this is a reminder for you guys to actually keep checking in your world that are you happy, and especially when things are not working in your favor, especially when everything is crackling up, you think the life has come to an end. That's when you have to ask yourself, truth, am I happy? If you are not happy, what choice have you made there to take your happiness away from you? And why would you let anybody and everybody take your happiness just away? Yes, Preeti says, I choose to be happy. Welcome, Arpita. Good morning. Arpita, are you happy today? It's like, why is it today? Can it last all the time, every moment? And it's a very weird. What if you start asking this question everybody you meet? Are you happy? Hey, rather than how are you doing? Are you happy? And it's such a teaser in everybody's question. Anisha, Rachel, sorry, Anisha. I get it's Anisha, right? Welcome. Good morning, sweetheart. Hello, Shreya. Welcome. So why can't you put your same name, Anisha? I get so confused. So yeah, all right. Are you guys happy who are joining us in? Are you happy? I choose to be every minute of the day. Harbeen says, "Wow, awesome, yay, awesome, yeah." So it's just a reminder in each one of you, wherever you are in your lives, if you are happy, I'm so glad to know so many of you are actually choosing to be happy and are happy. What if you be that invitation for in the space you are, be it at any given point of time in the day, during the day, 365 days, all your life? Would you like to stay with that? Would you like to be that? And everything that doesn't allow you, let it keep going. Can ask it, release, relax. It's like receive, relax, and release. Receive, relax, and release. And anything which shows up abruptly in your life, and it's a sad moment which is been created, watch, are you still happy? Happy does not have to be like all the time giggling out. It's not about jumping around the spaces and places. It's about within. So I was just mentioning this, like yesterday was the first time ever in my entire life, probably I might have had it when I was a little baby, but now it was like such 2-3 hours I had with myself, which I had no thought. And it was so peaceful. It was so beautiful that it was wow. I was like, why? What will it take for everyone to be feeling this? Simran is khush to ho na. Samir says, yes, happiness is life. Happiness. Receive, relax, and release. Yes, Monica, thanks for writing that up after all your contributions and your live podcast. Oh, Harveen, thank you for receiving them. That's the only thing I wish that really contributes. And I just come here, share my joy with you guys, and I'm glad that it's changing your worlds. And what if you can share your joy and happiness with the world, and we keep going, this chain reaction keeps going greater and greater and bigger, and wonder what that beautiful world would be. I think it's already there, and I do see a lot of people changing and shifting now. Happiness is everything, wonderful feeling. Yes. Hello Shikha, welcome, good morning. Hello Creationship. Mansi, yes. Hi Mansi, how are you? Asta, woh. So I'm always happy, though Asta says I'm always happy, though moment I start perceiving happiness as someone wants something else, their point of view's happiness vanish. Like, oh my god, it's so simple. Yes, it's so simple. Just ask. Like when you know, and then when you be so present with yourself, then I am always happy. So what took my happiness away is that's when you can actually retrieve it back. Shreya says, I choose to receive everything and anything from you. Ah, thank you. How did I get so lucky? Thank you, Shreya. Hello Nutan, welcome to the space. Hope you're doing good. Awesome. So Nutan, Mansi, Shreya, who's ever joined us late, are you happy? That's the new mantra, to ask people, are you happy? It's not what you're doing, how are you? It's like, are you happy? And anything that doesn't allow you to be happy, change it. Ask, where did your happiness go? What have you? Is it gone to the market? Is it going to buy something out? So what about that? So I think, happiness is just happiness, right? I don't really have much to say on that, but I just wanted you guys to remember that. Keep it with you all the time, in your heart, in your pocket, in your body, in your face, and let your faces know. A lot of times this has happened. Like a lot of people I meet, they're like, I'm like, are you happy? They're like, yeah. I said, can your face know it? Can your body know it that you're happy? So today, what if you play with this? How does your body know that you're happy? Maybe you have a smile, maybe you have a tinkle, maybe your body is dancing. So what is your way being of happy? Mansi says it become my way of being. Wow, awesome. I'm happy even when I'm sad. Arpita says, yay, awesome. Nutan, don't acknowledge till now that I'm happy. Yay, Nutan, you especially, could you always let your face know, because it's such a smiling face and it's such a pretty face when you smile. So don't take your smile away. Happiness vanishes when we stick to our point of view. Yeah, stop sticking, no? You're not a Fevicol. So give up your Fevicol Jod. Thank you for that. Let your body face know it. Yes, Umesh. Please let them know. Keeping happiness in pockets. Good idea. Yes. Always handy. It should be within you. It should like, happiness chahiye, ye lo mujhse. Just take it here right now. Spread it. I mean, can you be, would you be miser in giving and sharing your happiness? I find it tough to deal with being a disciplinarian. I'm very bad at pronouncing long words. So, all right. Yeah, so if you don't want to be disciplinarian, don't be. And if it's a choice. What if, sometimes it's fun to be laughing and being happy with discipline also. How much fun can you have being disciplined and undisciplined? Like, if you'll be disciplined, only can you be undisciplined, no? And you can really create all new senses and have that joy of, because how once my son just said that, Ma, you are a weird Ma, because you don't have any rules and regulations in the house, and everything, it's so boring to tell you everything because you have no point of view on anything. So it's not fun to do fun activities where you stop to do certain things and then you go hide it and do it from your parents, and I have to really pretend that I don't know things. So how about that? Hi Gunjan, welcome. So it's like how much sometimes I have to pretend that I'm strict and I'm not liking this because I have no point of view for anything. Whatever you choose, you die, you live, you eat, you drink, you do whatever you want to do, it's your body. So spread the happiness virus. Yes, Sameer, let's do it. Mona says, my face always shows happiness even when I am not. It's not about showing, Mona. It's about being it. Showing it, who are you showing it for? Be it. And start asking, what does being looks like? Sunena says, I functioned from no rules and it was not a contribution, and now the rules are not contributing. Now change again. It's a 10-second choice, Sunena. I mean, and what either or is not wrong and right. It just is what works at that time, make a rule. And are you willing to be insane, incognent? What word would you use here? Which is like, I'm very bad at all this. Where it's okay to be like not very stable all the time, up and down. You can be at any given point of time, any energy. वो कहते हैं पल में शोला पल में गोला. Be that. Doing that ASAP. Awesome. So guys, from here onwards, whosoever is listening now or in future, this recording, have happy as your walking, talking joy, and something to savor on and to share it with the world. If you're not sharing your money, at least share your joy. You pronounce the words correctly and then say my bad at long words. I just get so paranoid when I see big words, big English. I wonder what that energy is with me. I'm a simple girl. I can talk very simple, but bigger words just mess me up. But yeah, thanks for telling me that, Shivani. Thanks, that's great contribution. I know I do pronounce them fine but then I have that fear of them. Point about that. Just smile. It's beautiful and the most important. Yes. Hello, Devika. Welcome. You are just awesome. So are you have to be one to see the other one. Hello, Alka. Good morning. Alka, you came in late because today's a happy day. Are you willing to be happy? Are you happy? You are awesome the way you are. Oh, thank you. You guys are so amazing. I love you. You guys receive me as who I be, and I'm so grateful for you guys to be that. And also I probably don't have a point of view. Now this is who I be. Le lo ya chodo. मैं तो ऐसी हूँ. अपनी favorite. So, but yeah, thank you for receiving me as who I be, and I'm so grateful to each one of you. Don't share your money, at least share the joy. Yeah, at least you never know when your joy has been spread, that joy might create a lot of money in other people's world, and it would reciprocate to you too. Just saying. It's okay. You don't ever have to be sorry about yourself, Alka. I love teasing you guys, yaar. Just when I see you guys very often, I start teasing. Like Sameer joined us after so many days. I was teasing him that I've been missing him. He was not around. So now you joined in. See, I already created a relationship with you guys, right? I see you every day. I see your names every day. Then I'm saying hi to you. Then it's like you're must to be seen with me. This is my, dating time with you guys. So I just like to be. So please don't be sorry about yourself ever. I'm grateful that you guys come out, you take out your time and listen to my bug. I love it. Thank you. Thank you for being that space. and please carry your happy with you, happy on, and spread happiness. And that should be not only one day reminder to you. Keep it in your pocket, from in your wallets from here onwards, and carry it on. जिसको क्या चाहिए जा, खुश हो जा. You know, I learned one thing very beautiful. Sorry, I talk a lot. So it's like जा तुझे इश्क हो जाए. That's like Baba Farid used to say, जा तुझे इश्क हो जाए. So you can play that, जा तू खुश हो जाए. How about that? And that really took me a while to get it. जा तुझे इश्क हो जाए. Now it's like everybody, I mean, जा तुझे इश्क हो जाए. जा तू खुश रहे. You know, जब गाली भी निकालनी है, जा तू खुश रहे. You know, it's not easy for people to be happy. That's a very interesting point of view. This time I've kept for you, with you only. Oh, Monica, how did I get so lucky? Thank you. You guys are awesome. Love you all. So जाओ तुम्हें सबको इश्क हो जाए और जाओ तुम सारे खुश रहो. जानू तू खुश रहे. बिल्कुल. Bilkul. Awesome, Sameer. So have a beautiful, beautiful, rocking day. Be happy, be joyful. Let anything come in your life. And if you so desire joy and happiness, nothing will come across. And anytime it comes, just change, shift, and have a blast. फना नहीं होने वाली मैं सिमरन. फना वना मैं नहीं होने वाली. मैं सिर्फ हैप्पी होने वाली और इश्क कराने वाली हूँ. फना पुना नहीं, मरना वरना नहीं है मुझे. फना का मैंने सीखा था मीनिंग. मरना है ना, फना पुना. आई लव टू लिव. जा तुझे इश्क हो जाए खुद से. ये हुई ना बात अर्पिता. परफेक्ट. Love you too, Chetna. Love you, love you, love you. Happy day to you and everyone. Thank you. Happy day. Keep smiling, all of you, from my here end. And oh God, sorry. This evening I have a free call on Insta Live where Shivangi is asking me a question around karma versus choice. So anybody wants to listen, please join us at 7 p.m. today, India Standard Time. Karma versus choice. And what else is possible beyond this? Hello, whosoever joined. Elegendodia. Welcome. I do not know your name, but I'm so grateful that you joined us. We're just finishing it off. You can actually go. The question is, are you happy today? So be happy, Elegend, whosoever joined in. Be grateful to yourself, to everyone around, and you can re-listen to this, because I'm not going to take any more time of you guys, because I'll keep chattering otherwise. Go work. Bye. See you guys. Love you all. Bye-bye.